Today we're going to install the HitchClamp CrossClamp. Go ahead and grab the U-bolt, put it on the back side of the receiver, back here on the back side of this little flange. Go ahead and take the cross bar here and slide that down on top. Take both of the washers and go ahead and slide those down on top of there. Get your first set of nuts and go ahead and just thread those on either side and just snug them up by hand. And then with the crescent wrench or socket wrench, we can just go ahead and tighten these down. Tighten down one side a little bit and then come back and tighten the other side down so you get them roughly equally tight and about the same length. Then go ahead and grab our lock washers, put both lock washers on, and then come in with our second set of lock nuts. As soon as you get the lock nuts on, go ahead and tighten those down as well. And there it is. Rock solid.